What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts. And today we gonna be watching Davo Migo gang, surviving a snowstorm. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Say like, subscribe, turn on notifications.
When I hop on that you, baby, get back. When I tell her that you on me, and she gon' go with me 'cause I'm being. I already know she out. And my shit is on go.
This is the first video of the year. You know what I'm saying? First video of the year. First video since the Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? 2026, coming different. I know. The Christmas tree still up. I know all that, bro. I know. I'm black. I'm black. Black people like to get their money's worth, you know what I'm saying? So I'll probably take it down probably like next few days, but so apparently we have a snowstorm from the hit, you know what I'm saying? And y'all remember my video I did with the hurricane, and I didn't prepare, I didn't have nothing, and I was raging and all that, bro. Yeah. So hey, they said this probably like one of the biggest snowstorms we done ever had, power going out. Y'all know that. So I'm finna come prepared. I'm finna try to go to Walmart, try to get something, you know what I'm saying, get some snacks, fill my tank up, you know what I'm saying, buy a charger, a portable charger.
So, P.S. This is happening during the ice storm. That's down there. So DMV got hit with an ice storm that just recently melted at the beginning of the year. It's very sad. Roads was messed up. Kids was out of school for over a week. That stuff just recently melted. Crazy.
It was just so I can make sure everything's good. So for the next few days, I'm not basically with a deer in the headlights, you know? Like the video, subscribe, bro. 2026 our year, bro. All right, 2026 our year. Bring out the banger. If you new, what up? You know what I'm saying? If you're a returning viewer, shit, say what's good. They will be a gang in the building. Say something in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. And yeah, let's go hit the road. And it's late too, bro. 9:41. They say that a lot of stuff already gone out the stove. So hope and pray that I can, you know what I'm saying, get some type of snacks and some type of like, you know, candles or something. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't just assed out. I get in the car, look what it say. Fuel level low. So it's definitely necessary for me to fill my tank up, bro. If not, if we lose power, I'm not gonna be able to charge my phone up, bro. I need my phone. You know what I'm saying? So let's go to the gas station and fill this up real quick. Gotta get gas real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it all 100, chat. I'm gonna keep it all 100, chat.
I try my best not to use Apple Pay at the gas tank. I heard that's the biggest scams.
Gas is number 269. Get about 30 in there. But it's cold too, bro. It's cold. I can feel the snow from the come. Sometimes you can feel the snow when it's gonna come. Like y'all know, y'all know that you can't. Y'all know if it's too cold, it won't snow. Like it gotta be like the perfect weather for it to snow.
That's that's the crazy part.
I can feel it. Make sure you shake it. You know, so make sure you always shake. Get every last drop out. You know what I'm saying? It's finna close in like next 20 minutes, but like, look at all these cars. Everybody know it. Straight crunch time. Straight crunch time, bro. That shit funny as hell. All these people. All these cars, everybody come at last minute. Finna get me. Gotta get me. I gotta get shit that I can't cook. That I don't gotta cook, like stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Cheez-It. If you like Cheez-Its, get them right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting you on. Extra cheesy. Gas. You know what I'm saying? Quite frankly, I don't even need a lot of stuff. Like, I don't need to, like, overly do it. It's just, like, for, like, the next 2-3 days. You know what I'm saying?
I wonder how it did go down in South Carolina.
2-3 days. Like some chips, variety pack, shit like that. What up, man? This me right here, man. Yeah, you know it. What up? You all right?
Straight hell, yeah.
For sure, so. You know it. Gonna get some, Pop-Tart. Best Pop-Tart right here. I'm gonna go. Muff that. Yeah. Best Pop-Tart. Best Pop-Tart, I swear. Hey, man, shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. He's working. He got, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get prepared for the snow, too. Shout out to him. Seeing real cool, man. Shout out to him. This right here is some dip, bro. This right here is dip. Gas. French onion dip. French onion dip. These right here. French kiss, bro. I like the ones that's hot. You got like the hot chips in it. 42 on. Definitely finna do me for the next week. Not days.
This man bought nothing but junk food. Snacks.
Not days, but for next week. You know what I'm saying? Cool little lineup. I ain't even mad at it. But give me some juice, you know what I'm saying? And if my power go out, if my refrigerator go out, guess what I'm gonna do? Put my drink outside and let the ice, the snow, make it cold. W-I-Q, you know what I'm saying? W-I-Q. Strawberry lemonade, gas. With some Sunny D. Sunny D, tough. I should be straight now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably gonna just be trapping off straight this right here. Straight chips, bro. Straight snacks for the next 3 days. I don't even care about no bologna, no bread. I don't think they even got no bread in here. I don't even got no bread in here, bro. Keep it all 100. So I might just be trapping off this right here, bro. Straight chips. I got 42 bags. Got 42 bags of this motherfucker. Shit. Should be straight. These right here. Is the best cookies to get, bro. The ones with the icing, these the best ones, bro. Them the best cookies. I don't care what nobody say. You can eat the whole box of them in a day. If somebody said them cookies nasty, they lying and they fake hating. You know what I'm saying? A little cupcake, little cupcake never hurt nobody. You know what I'm saying? Little cupcake never hurt nobody. As y'all can see, I'm bad at this right here. But it's okay though. It's what I like and what I want in my time being, you know what I'm saying? And cupcakes and cookies is what I want. So, let me go pay and get out of here. I hope and pray that it don't hit us bad, bro. But now we wait. Y'all, so look, I was just finna lay my ass down. Look, it is 4:54 in the morning, January 25th. I was just finna lay down, bro, and something told me to look outside. Look outside, bro. It done snowed. It done start snowing. It done start snowing, y'all. It done start snowing. I did not think we were gonna get some snow, bro. 4 in the morning. But we really got snow, bro. We really got snow. Tomorrow I'm gonna
I
go
know
outside.
damn well he ain't go to sleep with them girls in. I know he popped them in.
Play in the snow. I hope and pray that the power do not go out. Right now the power on. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'm snowed in, but the power's on. Hopefully the power don't go off. Got my snacks and everything. Ain't gonna lie, I ate half of them already right here. You know what I'm saying? My snacks halfway gone. I ain't gonna sit in cap, bro. My snacks halfway gone, bro. I ain't gonna lie, everything gonna snow. So I just start eating my snacks. Anything's gonna really snow for real. But I just wanna update y'all, you know what I'm saying, on this right here, because it is snowing. And yeah, man. Surviving a snowstorm in South Carolina. You know? Hey, man, like the video right now. You know what I'm saying? First video of 2026. This shit finna be a motherfucking movie. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm finna go to sleep. All right. Y'all know how I said tomorrow morning I was going, you know what I'm saying, go outside and look. But bro, I'm looking, and it's like, yeah, it's snowing, but it ain't really giving what it's supposed to. Like, this not snow. Like, this ice, bro.
This is what you call the East Coast got hit. If you not from the country or you from the West Coast of the United States, the whole East Coast got hit with a snow ice storm. And that's like out here, snow about this deep. Okay, the snow about this deep, right? A thick ass layer of ice about that thick over top of it. Like, I'm talking about my phone not even as hard as it was. Well, you get on the, you hear me? You got ice skate on that shit. Like, that shit was diabolical.
Like, why my dumb ass didn't put my car in the garage, bro? Got a whole garage for nothing. I should have put that in the garage. It's still coming down. You know what I'm saying? But I just feel like it's ice, bro, and it's not snow. But I feel like it's not gonna stick tomorrow, bro. Like, this is South Carolina, bro. Trust me, bro. We get this. We get ice, but we don't get snow. Like, the real snow, we might get some ice. Like, this right here is ice, bro. It's not snow. That's why I'm like, let me come outside real quick, because I know tomorrow morning you might see the sun might be out. You know what I'm saying? Or you might, you know what I'm saying? The street's gonna be, you gonna see the concrete. So, I just wanted to come out here and show y'all real quick before I go and lay down, bro, because it look cool. Bro, it look cool. Something telling me, bro, this is not snow. But hey, my first time going outside since last night. So, let's see. Oh. It looked way better than the daytime did it last night. It looked way better. And it's still going. This is tough. Crazy view too, look. Crazy view. This South Carolina, we barely get snow. Like, it's like this, bro. This is actually, I consider this actually snow. At first I was like, nah, this is probably like a little ice. But it's actually, you know what I mean? It's actually snow. It's actually snow, bro. And I just came from Switzerland too, so if I just came from Switzerland to this, it's crazy there. Like, snow, cold. I don't got no gloves, no nothing. How you doing, man? Yeah. I'm saying, I live in a white neighborhood. They say hello, and you know what I'm saying? They don't walk past you, hit you with this right here. You know what I'm saying? Like the fake smile, you know what I'm saying? But look though, something that I'm gonna start doing, cause it's a difference. Walking past somebody and doing this right here, compared to doing this right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start doing this right here. Down. I feel like doing this right here, that's like, what up? You know what I'm saying? It's like but like this right here is more so like respect. Like yeah, I see you, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just look way cooler doing this right here, you know? And you look at it, and like you notice, a lot of white people do this right here. They do that right there more than this right here, you know what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna lie though, chat. This snow is hard. Like, it's snow, but it's like really like ice. Like, it's hard snow. Like, if I fall in here, bro, I feel like concrete. Like I can't even make a snow angel. In fact, let me try. Bro, I couldn't make a snow angel, bro.
Snow on the bottom,
Bro,
ice
what
on
in the
top.
hard snow is this, bro? You see? South Carolina, we got the bootleg snow. We got the great value snow. We didn't get the real snow. We got great value snow. We got snow. We got the 30% snow, 70% ice. You know what I'm saying? We didn't get the real snow. I can't make a snow angel, bro. You know what's so crazy, bro? Like, growing up, this right here, let alone this right here is considered a blizzard for South Carolina. You know what I'm saying? But, like, bro, growing up, bro, we get any slight of news that it's gonna snow or ice. We was canceling school, you know what I'm saying? No school, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, no school, people off work, all that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know up north, y'all get snow and y'all still going to school, y'all still ride the school bus. Us, we get a little sleet, a little hail with a little ice falling down. Oh, we out of school. So that's one thing I used to like about it, you know what I'm saying, our weather conditions in the South, bro, because we definitely was not made for that snow, bro. One thing about North, bro, y'all got that snow, bro. And I salute y'all for that, bro, because I don't know how y'all do it. I'm going to get frostbite right now. I don't even own a pair of gloves. And in fact, my hands getting too cold, bro. Let me go in the house real quick and warm my hands out. I don't want to get frostbite. And I'm missing the hand. I fuck with the snow, but I don't fuck with it that much.
Come on.
What the fuck?
You. Hey, cuz.
Nah, this shit done got worse.
Bro, I ain't think it was gonna snow. Nigga, we here. Oh, we finna go around this motherfucker. I've been sliding and gliding in this motherfucker too. I've been sliding.
Nah, this shit crazy. Bro, when I first came out here earlier, it was not this bad. It's dead ass snowing. Like, y'all can literally see the snow. Like, look, hold on. Like, you literally can see snow. Yeah, you good ass can see snow now. Earlier,
Oh.
we get you.
Oh, hold on.
We get you. About to bust your ass.
No, I had to make sure.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah, nigga.
Hey, bro, we in the snow right now, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Whew.
This is at your own risk, nigga.
Hey, we don't get snow often.
Hey, I told her that, like,
we get snow, we gotta show out, we gotta enjoy this shit, we gotta have a good time. And we just came back from Sweetie.
hey, whole time, bro, I'm keep all 100, bro. This better. This better like a better vibe. Like this a real snow vibe right here.
Yes, sir. We weapon it with motherfucking slide and glide.
See, look, see.
Hey, I'm telling you, don't finna have a... Bro, you think I'm playing? I'm finna have a blast at this motherfucker, nigga.
Nigga, alright, nigga, out there, nigga, get a little snow. And I'm like, you got the perfect car for a fucking
deal.
Nigga got the perfect car for a motherfucking snowstorm, bro.
Guess what? Everybody was like, oh, I'm getting snowed in. Let me go get my groceries. I went and got my groceries this morning.
See, me, y'all know me, I got my shit like 3-4 days ago.
But I ain't
niggas like him get it the day of, it's snowing. Like,
nah, I ain't think it was gonna snow though.
Like how was it even the stores even still open?
Publix. No Publix.
Publix be open in snowstorm, rain still hell. Nigga, what, nigga?
My snowboards in the back, got both of them.
Yo. Hey, send your address in the chat. Alright. Park, you know. Hey, motherfucker, I mean, it is red light.
Nah, it was green already.
Okay, see, you can't turn. Ain't nobody on the road, baby.
I mean, I'm doing it for me.
Ain't nobody on the road.
Red lights don't matter today, though.
Well, run them then. Hold on.
Get the going on. Hey, dude, get the going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. When we had that little fake blizzard, you hear me? I did that same thing with my truck. Lights? What is a light? I'm sliding through it. You hear me?
Hey, you better goddamn get with it, get lost, man, boy.
Wait, who told you brothers don't matter today?
Huh?
Who told you that?
Nah, not saying they don't matter today. I'm saying, like, because ain't nobody on the road.
Right.
I mean, I still obey the law. I ain't run that one either. It just so happened to turn green when you said, ain't it?
I mean...
Off?
Waffle open, boy.
When it's hot open.
We got them, motherfucker got them getting picky. Now, Waffle House been open right now on a fucking snowstorm is dead ass, like, give them, like, the crown of, like, being the MVP of the, like no Waffle House slander is fucking, it's fucking tolerated.
No Waffle House slander will ever be tolerated, to be honest, even if it's sunny outside.
Yeah.
Waffle House is the clutchest restaurant in history. Yeah, I said it.
Ain't it?
Yep.
That shit so fucking convenient. That shit more convenient than goddamn Chipotle.
Yep.
Keep it out behind it.
Baby,
Waffle House,
yeah.
And Waffle House ain't closed on Sundays. Hey, well, why the fuck is this car out? This motherfucker right here is not no goddamn big bad boy. This is goddamn. Hey, look.
They gonna get stuck.
No lie, if he out here with his shit, I can have my shit out here.
He gonna get stuck. 100%.
He must be like going to work or something. Like
he gonna get stuck. Like it's one thing to like drive in the snow, but nigga, you gotta really know how to drive in the snow. If that makes sense, right? But like this shit ain't no game, bro. This shit real ice, snow, sleet, hail.
What a bleak you live from? TikTok shop?
One of my Discord supporters bought it for me. Yeah. Shout out to Divinity though. Is that rain?
But it's not. I thought it's rain with Mr. Snow, like a little bit, you know what I mean?
Rain with ice.
It's hailing.
That sound like me. That's what I was saying. I was like, rain mixed with snow. The whole time that was ice mixed with snow. It wasn't even snow. That was the weird part to this whole ice storm. Like, when you think about it, you would be like, oh, damn, it's snowing and raining. Whole time it's small ice with snow mixed with it. That was the craziest part. You'll think it's rain, but it ain't.
No, that's called sleet.
Sleet.
Yeah, that's sleet. Not hail, not snow, it's sleet. Well, I feel like tomorrow, we goddamn back, goddamn.
I wanted to react to this shit so bad right after it, but my daughter had virtual school that day, and I couldn't react to it right then and there. So much stuff. I got vlogged that ain't even dropped yet, but that whole month I was gone, it got the whole reason.
Nah, it's too much snow.
Yeah.
It's too much snow. Like, it's gonna be like this for, like, if the roads might be clear, but the sides
Still gonna be looking all white in there.
Yeah, you can still see snow.
But today is the most important day though. If you want to like enjoy it, today is the day. You know what I'm saying?
Another G.
I know that shit, right? Look, only G's can survive in this weather right here. You know what I'm saying?
With y'all, bro.
Hold up, man.
Ain't too much. What y'all doing out here in the snow car?
Hey, man, out here living.
Y'all talking about?
Hey, only G's can survive in this right here.
Oh, what up, nigga?
Yes, sir.
Man, y'all, damn, that bitch look good. Y'all be safe out here, bro.
You too, bro.
Damn, that bitch look good, man.
Yeah, only G's can survive in this right here, Davo. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, there's some type of G.
Hey, I don't know what that is, but that got that's something.
Hey, that's some type of G.
Turn around, scared.
They didn't even realize that nigga realized Duke was in the joint. He's like, oh shit, Duke.
What y'all doing?
What you got going on?
I see y'all taking the flicks.
Yeah.
Sure.
Shoot a music video?
Yeah, we're recording some music. Yeah, we make a
Yo, that's fucking what?
Hey, that's fire, bro.
Hometown, bro. What's up? Hell yeah.
That is tough.
What's up? How you doing, man? Nice to meet you, bro.
For sure, bro.
Hey, what's your music name is?
Griego, like a Greek, but in Spanish.
For sure.
Griego music.
Hey, it is true. He smells fine. It's fucking.
For sure.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all make sure y'all go check out Bro Music, man.
Yeah, music. You know what it is.
Yes, sir. Man. Y'all be safe out here, bro.
Griego.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, what this shit hot. Got them bitch frozen.
Snowing at this motherfucker, too.
Yeah.
What name little slides on?
Goddamn other shoes on.
Got slides on the snow.
In this bitch.
Everybody got slides on in the snow. Feet finna be down.
Hey, people be wet.
This shit like slushy and shit.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
I thought this shit was goddamn snow when I looked out.
I mean, what? I mean,
Motherfucker, what?
Motherfucker, lying.
But they wasn't lying. Hey, man, you didn't think this was gonna happen, though.
Hey, I swear I told this nigga dude yesterday, man, it's not gonna snow, man. What the fuck they talking about?
man, shit. Oh,
And the shit.
shit.
Well, yeah, the snowboard, boy. No, you got to pray that motherfucker out one time, boy.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna take hard ass pictures.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I just whipped this motherfucker. No cap. But everybody, I just whipped this motherfucker. I'm definitely gonna go to the hood to see what this hitting on.
Hey, I just seen Red post that shit. I'm gonna walk through the hood. Fuck
Yeah,
you.
word.
You doing it right there, man. Put that motherfucker up. You gotta put that highlight on, man. Put that motherfucker up, man. Yeah, hurry outside.
Shit, yes, sir. This shit could be. I'm telling you, back in the day, you came in here, well, you might well go ahead and pack your bags for a few days. You staying, you not getting out.
Well, you was definitely staying, boy.
Look at that. Ha-ha. Yes, sir. Goddamn,
Whipping that motherfucker.
Yes, sir, man. I'm looking at that.
Play with this motherfucker, goddammit.
This motherfucker gonna make it, I'm telling you.
Look at this nigga lines he done did.
This motherfucker's gonna make it.
In the hood with it right now. Oh boy.
I ain't dirt vibe.
I had a fucking ladies. It's crazy.
We gotta show it out, man. That's what I'm gonna say, man.
What's up there?
Stay warm.
Like I say,
You know what I'm saying? Teaching when you're young to stay warm, moving. You know what I'm saying? Do certain things, you know what I'm saying? Jog in place, get that body heat.
Well, it can be done Monday through Friday. You know,
You sit still, one spot, you're gonna freeze, it's gonna be cold. But if you got there, you know what I'm saying? Keep moving, get that body moving, you know what I'm saying? Do a little, you know what I'm saying? You straight. But as soon as you got there, sit still like that right there, and you got there, you do this right here. Oh, your ass is grass. 2026 is your year if you want it to be your year. Alright? Don't send your ass, get up and go get it. In fact, don't say what you're gonna do, just go ahead and go do it. Alright? 2026 is the year of showing, not saying. You know what I'm saying? Showing, not saying, bro. You know?
I say, hey, that's why I'm living by this year. That's crazy.
Hey,
I feel like I talk too much.
whatever you gotta do. Show them, put it in their face, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying be cocky, you can be humble, but just show them. Stop talking, man. We don't want to hear what you're gonna do. We want to see what you're gonna do. You know what I'm
All right now.
So y'all recording right now?
Yeah, boy.
Name out that dude, Jaden Bradley. He's a straight bitch.
Oh, God damn.
saying? God damn.
Whoever Jaden Bradley is, damn, what he do to piss you
That's
off?
so-called my homeboy, but he snitched on me.
Oh, word, he snitched on you. He done told on you. But what you do to get told on?
About
Hey.
the weekend, don't worry about the weekend.
Okay, don't worry about the weekend. I ain't gonna worry about the weekend then. That's your business.
Because it was lit in the week, over the weekend.
But it means if somebody snitched on you, that mean you got caught.
Yeah, I know. I did.
You got your ass whooped.
No.
Yeah, you did.
I can get whooped no more. I don't That's 2023.
Boy, shut up, man. You got about
3 years old,
You
ain't
got
it?
about 4 or 5 more years of ass whoopings left. How old you is?
11.
Yeah, you got about 4. Yeah, but man, we finna head out, man. Y'all niggas be straight,
Why would
man.
y'all put sign?
All right, now I'm gonna slide you down the hill.
Make you eat shit.
Come on in.
Huh?
Come on in.
I will get out and make you slide down this hill.
He been throw some at you.
Hey, but you throw some shit. Hey, listen, let me tell you what I'm finna do.
What?
If you throw some shit at me right now, all right, I'm gonna catch you, take you all the way to the creek, and throw you in the creek. All right?
And I'm gonna help
Go to the
him.
car.
Huh?
You go to the car.
No, nigga. Hey, look. Hey, look. you playing a dangerous game right now. I'm gonna throw you in the creek, and I'm gonna get you out.
Get out that car. Get out that car.
I'm telling you,
No. Get out the car.
throw it, nigga. You
Get
scared?
out the car.
Throw it. You scared?
I ain't no scared.
But hey, look.
I'm waiting till you get out that car.
Oh, that's first.
Ah!
Hey, boy, your homeboy finna go in the creek.
He said, we better go to the creek.
What's going on, man? Finna throw this little nigga in the creek.
You Hit your favorite dance.
You said what?
Hit your favorite dance.
Hit my favorite dance?
Hit your favorite dance, yeah.
Hey, man, I ain't Duke. You going that creep for real. You throw that shit at me.
He said, I ain't Duke, I'm gonna really put you in that bitch.
Yeah, all right.
He said, I ain't Duke. I'm gonna really throw your ass in that train. Hey, I don't blame you. Me and General, yeah, we gone. Put him in the trunk. We about to put him in the creek and then we rolling now. He gonna have to walk back. You didn't.
Yes, sir, baby. Oh, nigga, I caught this motherfucker. Yes, sir.
Oh, shit.
Dirty ball. Hey, I caught this motherfucker.
Man, this nigga was this close of being over there. He was this close to being over there, side of the road. But that Jeep motherfucker goddamn do justice, bro. You know what? Come on. You gotta say, yeah.
Ariana, the one that cheated on me, I don't care because I f***ed on the side of the building too.
This cow.
Cow.
Nobody did.
Oh, you lying on that? You lying on that motherfucker?
Hey, he be playing high and go get it. He be playing high and go get it. If you know, you know.
Freaky little boy.
You said what?
Y'all really
Well, your girl, she's on you.
I'm not excited. Oh God,
And
no,
then the
I don't
motherfucker
want
whole done you got E move on your little
You weigh goddamn 30 pounds. You weigh 30 pounds.
Matter of fact,
I don't have to go out the window.
hold on real quick.
Matter of fact. Ah! Oh, shit. Oh! Bro, I fell out that motherfucker. Oh, shit. Like the video right now. Oh, shit. I just fell out this motherfucker. Boy, I'm so motherfucking ass.
So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I will see y'all in the next